Hello everyone, I'm Miss Brian, but most people call me Short Boss. Welcome to my channel, Short Boss Speaks. You know, I had big plans to launch this channel on my 60th birthday, October 24th. I was ready, lights, camera, inspiration, action. But then Hurricane Melissa decided she had her own plans. So instead of getting discouraged, I asked myself, what if this storm is not a delay, but a divine reminder? You see, life's storms come in many forms: hurricanes, heartaches, loss, disappointment. But what I've learned after nearly 60 years of life and ministry is this: storms don't come to destroy you, they come to reveal what's unshakable. Hurricane Melissa tried to pause my plans, but she reminded me of something important. You can't control the winds, but you can control your worship. And when you've lived long enough, you realize that every delay, every detour, every storm is a setup for something greater. I believe that God sometimes says, be still and let me show you who's really in control. So instead of a perfect launch day, I got a perfect reminder. My faith must speak louder than my fear. So family, here we are. This wasn't the launch I planned, but it's the one God allowed. If you have ever had a dream delay, if life's storms have ever shaken your plans, this space is for you. Together, we're going to talk faith, family, resilience, joy, and purpose. Because when the short boss speaks, she speaks from experience. Subscribe, share, and join me every week as we turn life's storms into stories of strength. Peace out.